Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Sentry for error tracking on VPS-hosted apps step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY or the built-in terminal on Linux or Mac OS. Log into your VPS using your username and IP address. Once logged in, update your package list by running the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install Python and pip if they are not already installed. Use the command sudo apt-get install python 3 pip. After installation, install Sentry's Python SDK by running pip install upgrade Sentry SDK. Create a new directory for your application if it does not exist. Navigate into your applications directory using cd/path/to/your/app. Now, sign up for a Sentry account at Sentry.io if you haven't already. Create a new project in Sentry to generate your DSN key. Copy the DSN key provided for your new project. Open your application's main file where you want to configure Sentry. Import the Sentry SDK by adding from Sentry_SDK import init. Call the init function with your DSN key. The line should look like this: init dsn equals your _dsn_ here. For additional configuration, you can add environment details, release information, or sample rates. Once configured, handle errors in your application using Sentry's capture_exception method when exceptions occur. Make sure to test your configuration by triggering an intentional error in your app. Check your Sentry dashboard to verify that the error was captured successfully. Monitor your application to ensure Sentry is capturing relevant errors in real time. Adjust your application code and Sentry configuration as necessary based on the errors captured. That's it, your Sentry configuration for error tracking on VPS-hosted apps is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.